almost 52% the what? The demand for job vacancies. How about the salary? So if we compute the salary in year, so you will compute as 2.5 million pesos per year. So of course, you will go to different places. We have the Buckingham Palace, the Bridge in London, Big Ben, and you can go anywhere in UK. So how about in USA? If you are targeting the USA, this is the rank 1 in economy by GDP, Gross Domestic Product. Okay, how about the healthcare facility? No. In US, you are not 100% catered, but you are having insurances that will cover your uh, healthcare coverage. All right. So how about the vacancy? It's also high for USA. What is the salary in health and social care in US? So let's compute almost 1.7 million pesos. So you have to consider the salary. So of course, you will see USA, all right, Arizona, the Grand Canyon, and the Golden Bridge in San Francisco. So I tabulated uh all top countries if you want to go there. So you are having USA as rank 1, 2, 3, 4. So almost USA, Canada, United Kingdom has the what? Has a good opportunity access with healthcare facilities and what? With high salary. All right. So what are the advantages or pros of a caregiver? As a caregiver, you have competitive salary, flexible time, some employer no need for specific experience. So you can cater to different kinds of job work. All right. You can work as a daycare, nursing home, social care worker, private homes. You can do that. So ICSA, so if you want to go to healthcare or health and social care, we have two categories. We have level 3 and level 4. For level 3, we have 60 units. For level 4, we have 120 units. If you are undergraduate of high school, so you will fall down for level 3. But if you are graduate of high school, you have diploma of high school, all right? So you will go to level 4. So what are the big difference? The units. Of course, we have different topics and categories between the two, but the special mention to that is level 3 you will just receive 60 units, and for level 4 you will receive 120 units. Okay. So we have other works that you can apply if you get the diploma. You can apply as a social worker, personal health assistant, nursing assistant, charity officer, health administration, all right, community development, and healthcare assistant. All right. So we have the content of the course. So once you enrolled, these are the courses included in level 3. We have the introduction to healthcare, communication, promoting population, person-centered, understanding diabetes, stroke, and dementia. How about in level 4, you have academic study skills, communication, introduction in healthcare policies, reflective practice, managing people in health and social care, sociology concepts, and ill health. So we have face-to-face classes. It will be discussed by the marketers. All right. How you will get the diploma? Of course, you have to complete the assignments. There will be assignments and you will have a module assignments once you enroll. And then you just have to pay your tuition fees. And of course, you have to attend the class every session that is assigned to you. All right. So, yeah. So, there will be things that you need to complete. So, sasabihin ko po ito once na may enroll na kayo. Meron po tayong sphygmomanometer, stethoscope, alright? You have your glucometer, we will discuss to you. So, how you will be part of ICSA and paano po kayo mag-enroll? So, you just have to give civil ID copies. O, yung mga to follow po is your passport copies, birth certificate, alright? Or your credential diploma of high school if you will go to level 4. Pero kung wala po kayong diploma ng high school, pwede po kayo sa level 3. Alright? Okay? So after finishing the course, what are the papers that you will receive? Ano po ang makukuha nyo after the course? So you will receive transcript of record and diploma. Alright? So what are the values in health and social care that I can learn after finishing the course? So hindi lang po diploma, hindi lang po TOR ang marireceive nyo. Marireceive nyo rin po yung proper care sa pasyente, compassion, competence, courage, communication, and commitment. Alright? Ito po yung mga pictures ng mga estudyante ko po. Alright? Na nag-demonstrate. PPE, blood pressure, ito po yung mga graduates natin. So madami po kaming graduates na talaga. Alright? Different batches. We have Saturday batch, Friday batch, Sunday batch, Monday, Tuesday, and different batches. Alright? So I just want to share to you, don't let anybody tell you you are ever past your prime. Sino po si Michelle Yeoh? So matagal na po siyang nag-aasam. Almost 20 plus years na makawin ng Oscars. Pero at the end, nakuha niya pa rin. Kasi hindi siya sumuko. Hindi niya inisip na matanda na siya, bata pa siya. Inisip niya lang yung goal niya. So sana po kayo din. Alright? So, I will give the mic or the floor to our marketer, Miss Lynn, Miss Rachel. Alright?